Welcome back to the channel Mr. Wheel Wonders. Today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping custom rigs ever imagined, a full-size luxury motorhome fused with the unmistakable front end of a Cadillac. This isn't just an RV, it's a rolling statement piece, a machine that mixes the presence of a premium SUV with the scale, comfort, and freedom of a high-end motor coach. So sit back, grab a drink, and enjoy the ride as we explore what makes this beast so special, inside and out, and why it's capturing so much attention across the automotive world. Imagine seeing this thing coming down the highway. At first glance, you'd swear it's a giant Cadillac SUV, but as it gets closer, the sheer height and length hit you. The Escalade-inspired grille dominates the road with sharp LED headlights framing an aggressive, commanding face. That front fascia alone could turn heads on any luxury vehicle, but attached to a full-size RV body, it becomes something surreal, almost futuristic. It's the kind of vehicle that makes people pull out their phones instantly. You don't just drive it, you make an entrance. Now move along the side, and the presence gets even more impressive. The body stretches long and clean, with deep glossy burgundy paint that reflects the world around it like liquid metal. Flush, tinted windows line the side, and subtle chrome trim adds that high-end touch Cadillac is known for. The oversized, polished wheels fill the wheel arches like they were made for this exact design. Roof-mounted AC units, LED accents, and utility access points blend seamlessly into the exterior, giving it the look of a luxury tour bus crafted for a celebrity on the move. But the true magic happens when you step inside. This is where the vehicle transforms from an attention-grabbing masterpiece into a private rolling sanctuary. The interior evokes the same premium Cadillac atmosphere, soft leather, smooth textures, and a calm glow from ambient LED lighting. Plush cream seating wraps around a living space that feels more like a modern penthouse than something built for the highway. There's a spacious lounge area up front with reclining chairs perfect for long trips or evening relaxation, complete with a large entertainment screen that makes movie nights feel cinematic. The kitchen brings full-sized convenience on the road. Glossy cabinetry, stainless steel fixtures, and marble-style counters give everything a refined look. A compact but efficient cooktop, a microwave, and a full-size fridge make meal prep feel effortless. Even the lighting is designed with intention, highlighting the details and giving the whole interior a warm, inviting glow. Toward the back, the bedroom becomes your private retreat. A comfortable queen-size bed with padded headboard lighting creates a cozy atmosphere perfect for winding down after a long day of travel. Windows on both sides give you the option of waking up to panoramic views wherever you choose to park. Storage is plentiful, designed to keep the space clean and minimalistic. Every detail serves both comfort and style. The bathroom keeps the luxury theme alive with a glass shower, polished fixtures, and plenty of space to move, something you don't always get in a traditional RV. It's all about elevating the travel experience, making the road feel like home but with a touch of five-star hotel comfort. And beyond all the design and craftsmanship, what really sets this Cadillac-inspired motorhome apart is the dream it represents. It's the freedom to travel without sacrificing style. It's the comfort of having your own private luxury suite no matter where you go. It's a vehicle built for adventurers who want to experience the world on their own terms, without giving up the refinement they enjoy. This is more than a custom build, it's a bold idea brought to life. A blend of automotive elegance and RV practicality that challenges what we expect from motorhomes. Whether you're imagining yourself on a cross-country road trip, cruising through scenic mountain passes, or parked beside a peaceful lakeside view, this machine turns every moment into something memorable. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most unique luxury motorhomes on the planet, make sure you stick around for more incredible automotive breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for the next wonder on wheels right here on Mr. Wheel.